Hello friends, in this video tutorial, I will show how to add default signature in Outlook. So let's start. At first, I open my Outlook applications, and you can see I add signature in my mail. Let's see, how can we add different type of default signature in Outlook. Go to the setting options. Now, click signature from accounts options. Here we can see new signature options, and we can upload or type our signature here. I type my first signature. Already I type in Notepad. After copy from Notepad, now paste in the signature box. After this, type your signature name. I will use this signature for new mail. After typing signature name, click on Save. After this go to the Default Signature options. Now select your signature for new mail, and click on Save. Same as, I add another default signature, for replies, or forward mail. After clicking new signature, upload or type another signature. Again, typing signature name, and click on Save. This signature is automatically set as default, for replies or forward mail. Let's go to checking Outlook default signature, by sending a new text mail, and reply. You can see, after click new mail, my default signature is automatically added. Now I send a text mail, and reply this mail, for checking my another default signature, for replies. I send this mail myself, and after opening, go to the reply options. You can see, after click on reply, another default signature is added in mail body. Same as, we can add another signature, as default, in mail body. I hope you can understand. Friends, please, subscribe to Tech and ICT Solutions, and press the bell button, for new and updated technology-related video tutorials. Thanks for watching this video, and stay with us.